tree, swinging and giggling, wild and free. One slipped down, ouch, said he. Mama said, be careful, please. Four little monkeys played hide and seek. One lost grip and gave a squeak. He landed softly by the tree. Mama said, play safe, you see. Three little monkeys jumped with cheer. One flipped over and shed a tear. Mama gave a hug so tight. Let's play calm, it feels just right. Two little monkeys bouncing high. One did a twirl and touched the sky. He came down with leafy hair. Mama said, take jungle care. One little monkey all alone swung from a branch and dropped a cone. He laughed and said, I'm okay. Mama smiled, now rest today. No little monkeys in the tree, all came home for fruit and tea. Mama said with a gentle cheer, tree time's done, now stay near.